tilt them wherever and then just take them off. Oh, someone's screaming. Oh, hey! Oh my god. Hi! In case you guys didn't know, I dyed my hair. It is now a beautiful shade of red with an even darker red, and I'm kind of rocking it, kind of feeling it. Zen from 70 Salon did such a great job with my hair. I'm obsessed with it. But today we are talking about another one of my hair favorites lately. Oh my god. I cannot wait to show you guys the best hairdryer I've ever tried to date. So this is she. She's my favorite. I've had her for around a month now. This is the Dreame Hair Glory hairdryer. So if you're like me and you like to aimlessly shop on Shopee sometimes, okay, you might find this familiar because this is one of the best selling hairdryers on Shopee. This retails for $229 or $259 with something else that I'll show you later. But I do have a $55 discount code, which is a damn good deal. So stay tuned for the discount, and yes, this video is sponsored, but I would still get it even if I wasn't. And I really love it, and I've got receipts because I'm comparing it against my Dyson Airwrap and another hairdryer that I have. So yeah, okay, let me tell you why I love this freaking hairdryer so much. Okay, first things first, when Dreame reached out to me, right, I've seen it on Shopee before, but because like I said, I have the Airwrap, so I never even thought to try out the Dreame Hair Glory. And especially when they reached out, I told them, I was like, hey, I use like a pretty good hairdryer, so if this doesn't compare, right, I'm not gonna want to use it and I'm not gonna do a video on it. And they said sure, no problem, and they were so confident, and now I know why. It's because it's really good. Oh my god, I think I have a video of the first time I've ever used it. I'm gonna try and include it here. First impressions. This is pretty good. This is really good. This is so fast that I don't even know how to like hold my hair up properly. Ooh, that was fast. It's only 2 minutes, you know? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I was actually blown away. The airflow on this is even better than my Airwrap. And if you guys use Dyson also, you would understand what I'm saying when like you just know now how good you can get it and you wouldn't want to settle for anything less. So all of the other hair dryers now just seem really weak and really slow to me because all of the Dyson Airwrap and the Supersonics are just like so good. But this Dreame Hair Glory hairdryer is a real game changer, especially when you factor in the price. The Airwrap that I use is $859. This baby right here is $229. Okay, so anyway, I know it sounds really ridiculous, and like obviously I have dry hair now that was blown dry by the Dreame Hair Glory, by the way. But yeah, because my hair is dry now, I think it's a bit difficult to show you what I mean and the airflow. So I've actually used a empty plastic container to kind of show you how powerful the airflow is. Let's get into it. The airflow test. Are you okay? Are you okay, Taco? I'm gonna put it here. There it goes. There it goes. In comparison, I have a normal hairdryer here. Okay, just for comparison, we're gonna do the Airwrap. But here we go. And then the next is the look test, okay? Like the size, the weight, the feel, how it looks. This is my Airwrap. They look very comparable in size. I would say handle-wise, the Dreame is a little bit smaller. Because I can't grab this one. And it's also a little bit shorter. So the Dreame hairdryer comes with like a little cord that will help you organize and loop up your cable. So I folded it pretty nicely. So this is how the Dyson Airwrap looks in comparison to the Dreame Hair Glory. As you can tell, it's definitely more lightweight, more portable, and it's physically smaller in size. I also do like the rose gold look, even though I'm not really a rose gold kind of gal. It actually matches the decor in this house a little bit better. And then if you want to compare it to like another typical hairdryer, I would say this is already smaller than the usual hairdryer. This is from Ayuga. It's a really fun, like affordable option, but I just feel like the airflow is just not quite up there. So I would say out of all three, the Dreame is definitely the lightest and the most portable and the most travel friendly. And it's also really sleek and really pretty, just all around really nice. It does come with a smoothing nozzle. The attachments are also really easy to put on and they are secure. You can kind of tilt them wherever. You can just put them on, take them off, no issue at all. They also have this part right here which helps you filter out the dust and the fuzz so you can keep your filter clean, and the controls at the back here are super easy to operate. There is a half speed and then a full speed. So the second button here actually allows you to go through the 4 different temperature settings that I'll show you in a bit. On the bottom is the hot cycle, on the left side is the hot and cold cycle, the top is the cold cycle, and then the last temperature is actually very interesting. It is consistently at 57 degrees Celsius. You must be like, why? It's actually the degree that I use the most because it is very, very comfortable. Like, it's not so hot that your head gets uncomfortable, and honestly, I don't like blow drying my hair at a full hot cycle. So I actually love the 57-degree function, and I always set my hairdryer to it. So like I said, the first time I ever tried out the Dreame Hair Glory hairdryer, I was super blown away, not just because of the amazing airflow, but also because it's actually softer than my Dyson Airwrap. I think it is anyway, so I'm gonna do a sound test right here. So first up is the ordinary mid-range one. This is the Airwrap. And finally, this is the Dreame. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but the Dyson Airwrap actually has a higher pitched kind of like whirring noise, whereas this one is definitely softer. Like, you can still definitely hear air coming out. It's not completely silent, but it's just less jarring. And I can hear my partner better when I talk to her when I blow dry my hair. So I just feel like it's a little bit softer and a little bit less piercing. So the process of me drying my hair with typical hair dryers is usually around 30 minutes. But with the Dreame Hair Glory, it's around 2 minutes. My timer actually says 3 minutes because I actually switched it to cold, because like I said, that 1 minute doesn't matter to me, and I don't like blowing my hair with like a full head of like hot air. So that said, even though I don't go on the hot cycle very often, it's still very good if you want to like do like a nice blowout, you want to like, you know, straighten it, if you want to even do like brush curls. For me personally, I don't really style my hair, so I prefer going on the hot and cold cycle just so that it evens out and I don't get my head feeling too hot. And also the cold cycle, because again, the airflow is so good that I'm able to dry my hair without like putting much heat on it in the first place, and it keeps my hair very healthy and very smooth and very shiny, and it still does the job of like drying it relatively quickly. But I do have to say, my ultimate sweet spot is the 57 degrees Celsius mode. That is just the best because it's just like warm. I'm just very sensitive lah. I'm just a sensitive gal. I still get a little bit of heat, so it helps with the process of blow drying my hair before I go to sleep at night. There is a smart NTC thermometer sensing for the 57 degrees Celsius, because if you blow dry your hair, if it's like 57 degrees on your head, it will eventually get hotter and hotter. So the NTC sensor will actually measure and sense the air temperature around like 10 cm away from the hairdryer, assuming that that's your hair, and it will make adjustments to make sure that it stays at 57 degrees Celsius, that it doesn't go any hotter than that, so that it doesn't burn or damage your scalp or your hair, which I find is so fantastic. And also, the 57 degrees Celsius is really great for using the Essence nozzle with. Okay, oh my god, I'm super excited to show you this now. This is the Essence nozzle. So this is the Essence. It comes in a little capsule and it's refillable and it's really cute. You can put it in the nozzle, and this is how you use the Essence. It releases 5 times more gold negative ions than a usual like hairdryer does, and it helps to basically smooth out your hair and lock in the moisture. It also has essential oils in here with 3 different types of molecules for like better moisturization, and I gotta say, it smells fantastic. So what I do is that I blow dry my hair until it's 80% dry, and then afterwards I basically lock this on like that, and I start using it as per usual all over my hair and focusing on the hair ends, and it just smooths out your hair. It makes it more silky, more manageable, and it also gives you like a really beautiful shine. So for today, for a demo, I put the essence nozzle on this side and then I didn't for this side. I don't know if you can see a difference, but for me, I can definitely feel it. I can feel like this side is more silky and a little bit more put together, like it's a bit less frizzy, and also it smells. It smells so good. Ooh, if you like Joe Malone, like English pear and freesia, it kind of smells like similar to that family of scents. Yeah, so it smells very elegant. It smells really, really good. And if you ever need to go out and if you want to style your hair and you just blast this, and it'll give you that like beautiful smell as well. And the good thing is I don't have to use additional product to basically like moisturize or protect or like shine my hair. And because of that, I can get away with like a less greasy look, and my hair color and my hairstyles can last for longer because I just don't wash my hair as often. Like, I don't need to. I really like it. I think this is really, really unique and really special, and it's quite fun. Like, I just enjoy it. I just enjoy using it. Ooh, also this has like 300 million platinum ions for your hair, and these ions are supposed to help with like hair care, UV protection. It makes your hair strong, it prevents split ends because it basically like seals your cuticles. So 300 million is, I think, one of the highest amounts, if not the highest amount in all hair dryers out there. Oh, also I keep like forgetting all the good things I wanted to say about this freaking hairdryer because there's just so many. But it also has a 2-year warranty, so you don't ever have to worry about it like dying on you too early. So again, I cannot recommend this hairdryer more strongly. I really, really love it. I think the value for money is insane, and if you try it, you will understand why. If you want to snag the affordable and ever reliable Dreame hairdryer at an even better price at $55 off, I will leave a voucher code in the description down below. I hope you guys really do try it and fall in love with it just as much as I do. And if you enjoyed watching this video, stay tuned for more. What's going on next week? Let me think. Ooh, How I Met My Partner story time. It's highly due, so I am delivering. Okay, see you guys next week. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, so I'll be back with the story time that everyone wants. Okay, bye!